This video demonstrates the ability of SRW to automatically access data from the X-ray database maintained by the Center for X-ray Optics at Lawrence Berkeley Lab, based on the work of Dr. Henke and collaborators. Here in the expert area of the SRW page, we're going to enter the My Demos folder. We're going to create a new simulation, which we will name my CRL 01. By default, we get synchrotron radiation from an electron beam in an idealized undulator as our source type. Save changes and the simulation begins. On the source tab here, the synchrotron radiation source is being calculated. We'll go ahead and skip to the beamline tab. We have no beamline yet because this is a new simulation. I'm going to drag down a CRL lens, compound refractive lens. By default, the material is beryllium. I'll change it to boron. And by default, the server goes to the page at the Center for X-ray Optics at LBL, using the results of Dr. Henke et al. And with these choices, the appropriate input values have been set automatically. In particular, the refractive index decrement of the material and the attenuation length. So we close this, bring down a watch point so we can see what happens after the X-ray beam interacts with the compound refractive lens. Close that, save our changes, and the simulation of the beamline begins.